Okay, welcome back. More fun stuff from eBay. I got a steel bike lock today in the mail, and this one is from Taiwan. I already opened it up because I screwed up the video. Let's take a look at the key first. We have a key. It's a dimple lock. Obviously 5 pins on that side and 4 pins on that side. So that's the key, and it's a LIKA top security, probably Chinese made. This is the lock, LIKA. It's 5 stars, and the reason I bought it is because it's quite unusual, because it has 2 keyways. First we have to open the first one in order to be able to open the second one. So we have to turn that 180, and when we've done that we can open the lock. So that's going to be interesting, and from what I understand, the first one contains 5 pins and the second one contains 9 pins. So first I had to pick 5 and then 9, and you can see the pins on both sides, so that will be really interesting. And we are locked up in the vise, and I will be using a couple of flags from my new dimple kit that I got a couple of days ago. They are a GoSo brand. Came in a very nice plastic box. It's a 16-piece dimple lock pick set with a bunch of different flags, left and rights. Yeah, anyway, I'll be using this flag with a curve. Okay, I got a false set from number 1. And number 4, we are open. Still the lock won't open. Okay, let's see. Top row, got a slight turn from number 3, I think, and number 1. And the bottom row, one, 2, 3, and 4, springy. And the top row again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Try a different pick. And there we go. I just released tension a bit and we popped it open. How about that? So we finally got it on camera. So that's nice. So there we are. A dual LIKA bicycle lock, dimple lock, with 5-in-1 keyway and 9 pins in the second one. No security pins, but it was a fun one. Anyway, thank you for watching and see you soon.